4 police officers are omoka your friends and Bullion Van Robberies. And Crawford do no attribute to say politicians. You for blame them, mamu. Asante air recruitment among a modern Crawford question, even though they are not qualified. Will you agree with that school of thoughts?
Yes. No correct. But no question me wumpa ni say I say obi henya akobokro no aka je say we the okro no was so na me me de. No question ni say obi obeka kire o say every regime politicians and right now that word ni ko ababe a year obi everybody talks about it protocol. Yenya fro on abese wonya protocol bi. Protocol no verify. Me nua eco police. Sam no wonya police mi wura ye no. Ye ko fom ye ba ye no na omo de bia na ifo abafie abehwehwe na omo bubusa question about him on pese omo hu ne record e wo fie some no training no and let me tell you say most of the people no mugu street oko a year circle wa motonton friend say mobile phones because of the fact omo do omo j election mu through tagri omo na hwia man focus any agent no nyina go national security and the police share guys here now they do and no share police in na body say na o hwe bibi e na sumu at least at this time those things were not there.
But you agree say even within your regime who recruit party boys and so
no some me cannot say me catch say it happened during our time but the level at which be near my say people mu no and just be see aban bia mu da o man ka just aban bia ba obi nyeska. But if you look at the levels, even I saw them Akron 4, and I saw them Akron 4. But it be Akron 4 no baby sinibi. And which is the level under this government, binuma enimu omo bi anim said they were taxed. Yo, people know them. Omo no moche brono so. Who can imana se tape bi a azori tape bi a you pick it from Castle. You remember that?
Yes.
All those guys are in the security services now. They were clapping because 1 week will be a problem. They were clapping. They were happy. If you watched the video, and these people are in the security services now. But you blame police administration, no?
You blame the politician.
Politicians no do realm. And which media power say going forward, you know, there should be a commission of inquiry into recruitment into the security services. I know it will not happen under this government, but NDC back, it will happen. Remember, that's my yeah. I should go back and MPP time 10 years ago. Now you more examine everyone how they were recruited into the security services. Now you show more criminal records before they even entered because it's unheard of. Yeah, omuni munyi na yermako training depot ye nyina na go together. Na mutumi twa mukokukum mu na the see you know sankofo na see omukum me there I still don't understand it. Much suspects on babu mama anya na mudu mako say omo chechire meja dampare ni police em say a new policing mudu omo kona de be sintia mutututu o ma sankofo no suspects are sabi on prebiasa omo no de ema information e dey see and I say baby omdo mko no mtu okun it's unheard of but music so obi a udi ohwe form me mental pay form hwe de but uhwe sa na maternal mo first telenovela na uhwe police fo baby nom uhwe de omo ya with this security service de bia ye wo click bi wo mu a omo so no AD your friend say this crime you see but David was a bekona boss na sa ring no na o ma ye exposed eti wo maku sankofo na wukura na I know say wodo say panyini bi wo akira they will all be exposed.
Honorable my now say Honorable Vincent Oppong Asamoah and I'm in the twetwe nkomo ewo adwumadie so me mpai bo e de ma wo say Nyankopon won hwe wo so no nka ho omutu so no hwe se wo ho emma sembi Nyankopon ya adwuma na wotwe se ne ye besa tenase na ye di nkomo e frem Daakyehene na na yaw Asante Makrao.